Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Apple Card online purchases. The Apple Card offers fantastic benefits for your online shopping. You can earn daily cash on every purchase, which is added to your Apple Cash Card. Plus, there are no annual fees or foreign transaction fees, making it a great choice for international online shopping. Its robust security features also help protect your financial information. Using your Apple Card online is straightforward. For websites and apps that accept Apple Pay, simply select it at checkout for a fast and secure transaction. If Apple Pay isn't an option, you can easily find your card number, expiration date, and security code within the Wallet app to enter manually. Every purchase is confirmed with Face ID or Touch ID, adding an extra layer of security. One of the best perks is daily cash. You'll get 3% daily cash back on all purchases made directly with Apple, whether online or in store. When you use Apple Pay for online transactions, you'll earn 2% daily cash. For all other purchases where you manually enter your card details, you still receive 1% daily cash. This cash is added to your Apple Cash Card every day. To make the most of your Apple Card online, always monitor your transactions in the Wallet app. It's crucial to understand your monthly statement and payment options to avoid any late fees. If you ever notice suspicious activity, contact Apple Card support immediately. Finally, ensure your device's software is always up to date, as this helps maintain the highest level of security for your online purchases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.